Welcome back to the Cape Coral Foam Mars in Southwest Florida online tour. Today we're coming from Southwest Cape Coral, and I have this beautiful new listing my wife just got, and I think you guys are gonna like it. Check out this entrance. Wait until you see the windows from the inside. They are amazing. Okay, so now let me tell you a little bit about this home. It's 4 bedrooms, 2 baths with a pool, and a beautiful upgraded kitchen. Let's go inside and take a look at this beautiful home. As you come in, you got your living room on this side. Check out the high ceilings and the columns. And on this other side, you have the dining room. Okay, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna walk around so you could actually visualize the size of this room, because you have to look at it from the angle so you can see how big this area is. Let me move back a little bit. As you can see now, you're starting to see how spacious this home is. Let me stand over here in the corner. This really gives you a good shot. And check out those windows. Now let's take a closer look at the kitchen area. You have this area here that you could have your breakfast every morning. Okay, it has those windows on the left that lead to the pool. And look at how beautiful this new kitchen is. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Here you got your dishwasher. Check out the nice stainless steel sink. Over here you have the island, nice big size. You have a lot of counter space, as you can see. If you're someone that likes to cook, it's a great kitchen because you have a lot of space. Check out all the stainless steel appliances. The nice tile backsplash. Take a look at the refrigerator. And another nice thing about this home is that you have this walk through the dining room from the kitchen. And the nice sink that is sitting right in the middle of the whole room. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at the laundry room. You have your wash and dryer on this side with cabinets and a lot of shelves. And also on the left you have the sink there. Now here's your double car garage. And up here is where your AC is. I like this pocket door here that you could just close it and keep the laundry room separated from the kitchen. You see this area here for breakfast? Through that window there, you can see the pool on the other side. So a lot of people like that. Now, this is where the pool area is. We'll take a look at that later. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the rooms. In this corner of the house, you have bedroom number 1. As you can see, very spacious. With your veneer laminate floor. Here's bedroom number 2. Also with veneer laminate floor. The home is completely tiled except the rooms where you have the laminate veneer floor. Now here is your guest bathroom, also pool bathroom. So you have a nice cabinet and that door leads to the pool. Take a look at it later. And now over here you got your shower, all tile back. And you have your toilet with a bidet on it. Very cool. It's all electronics. Okay, over here, this is the door I was talking to you about. It's the one that leads you to the pool. We'll go ahead and take a look at the pool later on. But first, let's continue with this humongous home. Okay, I'll take a look from this angle. Check out the nice high ceilings, the two columns in the middle, and those windows really are really beautiful from the outside and inside. Okay, now we're gonna go to bedroom number 3. This bedroom's in front of the house. Also has a pretty good nice size. Here's the closet. Now let's take a look at the home from this angle. Here's the dining room. As you can see, it's a very big dining room set, and it fits perfectly. Check out the entrance from the middle of the room. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the master bedroom. As you can see, the master bedroom, it's big. Very spacious too, lots of windows. He has his own AC for this room. It's a split unit, so that way if you're not with your whole family and you don't want to have the AC running all night through the whole house, you could just put it on your bedroom. And check out the door that leads out to the pool also. A lot of people are doing that they have big homes. They could just turn on the unit where they're going to be sleeping at, and then in the morning automatically the other main house AC turns on, so you won't even notice. But you will notice in your pocket when you have to pay the electric bill. It does save money. Okay, here's the master bathroom. You have one single sink over here. You got the shower, the tub, and the other sink over here. Okay, let's take a closer look at the shower. Here's the nice tub. Over here's your toilet closet with a Bidet toilet seat. And over here on both sides, you have closets. Another look at the kitchen from here. Now let's go outside and take a look at the pool area. Over here you have this nice under truss lanai. Now let's check out this amazing pool here. Has a nice cascade. I don't know if you could hear it. Let me see if I could get closer. There you go. I think you'll be able to hear it. And check out all the space you have around the pool. And this is the under truss area. You check out the nice window and the door from the master room that leads to the pool. You can also see that it has hurricane shutters, so you can just close all that area there. If you have furniture or anything you want to put that you don't want to moving around, you could just lock it up in that under truss lanai. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look at this amazing pool. Take a closer look. You have a sitting area next to the cascade. Something I forgot to tell you, this is a saltwater pool. A lot of people tend to like that now. Let me get closer. Here's the sitting area there. Take a closer look at the cascade. As you can see, this pool goes from one side of the home to the other. So you have a lot of space in case you want to have a party. You could really have a lot of space to put tables and chairs. This area here is for you to relax, you know, laying down. It's like a little beach. And let me move back so you can see how spacious this area is. Remember, if you like this home, you would like to know the price, feel free to scan the barcode if you're watching on TV, and if you're watching on a computer or phone, go on the description below and there'll be a link that you click on it. It'll give you the price and status of the property. Okay, so now let me go ahead and show you the backyard. You will see that it has a lot of fruit trees. Another thing I want to let you guys know, that if you're thinking about moving here to Southwest Florida and you're looking for homes, my wife and I has been selling real estate for over 20 years in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers area. And if you have any question on this home or any homes you're looking at out there, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. As you can see, a lot of fruit trees. That's one of the good things about living here in Southwest Florida, that these trees, they'll last you year round. If you take care of them on some freezes that we get, you might have to cover them up, but most likely they all make it. So remember that if you would like to see more listings like this, more videos like this, feel free to stay now to the end of the video, and you will have a playlist that you just click on it and you will continue seeing our most latest videos. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.